which represents the fertility. That's why she grinding stone. You can see a chapel which fell off. I mean, you can notice the columns.
Göreme is one of Turkey's UNESCO World Heritage Sites, which originally housed about 20 monks and then was a pilgrimage site from the 17th century. Splendid cluster of monastic artistry with its rock-cut churches, chapels, and monasteries. This is definitely a must-see in Cappadocia.
Combine many of them. If you just look at here, look, 30, 40, 50, sometimes 100, sometimes 200 of fibers are twisted all together because we need thicker and stronger fibers. And then we will just spin the wheel like this. This is the way how to get the silk. They will be collected here. Technique called as double knots. Look, right and left side, this thread is twisted around. That's why it's called as double knots. And after the completion of the row, we will beat it from up to down in order to tighten the curvature. And finally, these longer threads should be cut off. So we use a fine scissor like this. Okay, this is it.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned as next week we take a little break from Turkey and head over to Croatia. So don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Oh, and that notification bell so you are notified when that next video is released. Thank you so much again. Have a great day.